Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 7 of Flylady's beginner baby steps to getting your home and life in order. Today, we need to make sure to get dressed in the morning, to be kind to ourselves, taking small breaks throughout the day, to do a quick 2-minute hot spot clean, and you just have to pick one, and to make sure to have a clean and shining sink before bed. Today, we'll add a new baby step to our before bed routine, which is to pick out an outfit that we're going to wear for tomorrow. You can pick your clothes in the morning, middle of the day, or in the evening. Just try to do it before you're too exhausted. Getting your clothes ready for the next day will help you get dressed in the morning because you don't have to think of what you're going to wear. I'm in a season where I don't have little babies, but if I did, I would take care of my baby's needs first, then get dressed. My kids are a little older and they understand when I tell them I need 5 minutes to get ready in the morning. You can put your clothes where you like to get dressed. Either hang the clothes on the hanger, lay the clothes on the chair, or put the clothes on the bathroom counter. I personally like to put my clothes on my bathroom counter because that's where I usually like to get ready. I can also take a quick shower knowing that I have everything ready for me on the bathroom counter. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.